8 boiled egg recipes for weight loss. Hi and welcome back to my channel, Healthy Bites. If you're on a weight loss mission and searching for a versatile and nutritious ingredients, boiled eggs are your secret weapon. They are a great source of high-quality protein and can be used in a variety of ways to create delicious meals while keeping your calorie intake intact. In this compilation, we present 8 boiled egg recipes that are specially designed to support your weight loss goals. Let's explore these 8 recipes and take a step closer to achieving your health goals. Number 1. Green salad with boiled eggs. The green salad with boiled eggs is a nutritious and flavorful dish with an average calorie content of approximately 410 calories per serving. This salad features a vibrant mix of fresh salad greens, colorful vegetables, and protein-rich boiled eggs. The greens provide essential vitamins and minerals and fiber, while the boiled eggs offer high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Additional ingredients like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and sliced radishes add crunch and flavor. This salad can be dressed with a light vinaigrette or a drizzle of olive oil for added taste. With its combination of wholesome ingredients and a variety of textures, the green salad with boiled eggs is a satisfying option for a balanced and nourishing meal. Number 2. Carrot Egg Salad Recipe. Carrot egg salad is a light and healthy dish with an average calorie content of around 290 calories per serving. This salad combines the natural sweetness of grated carrots with the protein-rich goodness of boiled eggs. The carrots add vibrant color and a crunchy texture to the salad, while the boiled eggs provide essential nutrients and satiating protein. The salad can be further enhanced with ingredients like diced celery, chopped green onions, and a light dressing made with lemon juice and olive oil. Carrot egg salad is not only low in calories, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It's a refreshing and nutrient-dense option that can be enjoyed as light lunch or a side dish. Number 3. Egg Salad Lettuce Wraps. These egg salad lettuce wraps are a great light meal option. At only around 350 calories, they are nutritious and filling. The boiled eggs provide plenty of protein for muscle repair and satiety. And instead of high-carb wraps, you've got lettuce leaves, making them a low-carb choice. Plus, boiled eggs are chock full of vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, all of which help keep you healthy. Not to mention, these wraps are super easy to make and taste delicious. They're perfect if you're looking for a yummy, balanced meal on the go. Number 4. Deviled Eggs. Deviled eggs are a crowd-pleasing and delicious snack that everyone loves. They're super easy to make by scooping out of the yolks of boiled eggs and mixing them with yummy ingredients like mayo, mustard, and spices. These highly addicting bites make a regular appearance at parties, picnics, and celebrations. Not only do they provide a healthy dose of protein from the eggs, but they're also packed with important vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin D, and iron. With their creamy texture and bold flavors, deviled eggs are an all-time favorite that always hits the spot. Number 5. Hard-boiled eggs and chicken salad. When it comes to a tasty and nutritious meal, you can't go wrong with a hard-boiled egg and chicken salad. Packed with protein and clocking in at around 503 calories per serving, this dish is both filling and satisfying. You get all the goodness of hard-boiled eggs and lean chicken, with essential amino acids and vitamins from the egg, and a lean source of protein from the chicken. Add some crunchy veggies, fresh herbs, and light dressing to make it even more flavorful. Not only that, but this salad can be enjoyed as a main course, sandwich filling, or side dish, thanks to its scrumptious combination of textures and flavors. Hard-boiled egg and chicken salad is a real crowd pleaser, a wholesome and satisfying meal that everyone will love. Number 6. Egg Salad Salad. Swap up your usual egg salad for a lighter and more guilt-free option. Egg Salad Salad. With just around 328 calories per serving, this salad provides a good mix of classic egg salad flavors and fresh greens, making it a healthy and refreshing meal. The boiled eggs mixed with a light mayo or Greek yogurt and spices pack a protein punch and are loaded with essential nutrients. Meanwhile, the salad greens, whether it's a crisp lettuce or a blend of leafy veggies, contribute to your fiber, vitamins, and mineral intake. To make it even more appetizing and nutritious, add some chopped veggies or herbs for extra flavor. So go ahead and indulge in this balanced and satiating dish without feeling guilty or weighed down. Number 7. Tzatziki Bowl. The Tzatziki Bowl is a flavorful and satisfying dish, averaging around 549 calories per serving. Inspired by the Greek cuisine, this bowl features a base of nutritious ingredients. It typically includes grilled chicken or lamb, a generous serving of creamy tzatziki sauce, and a variety of fresh vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes, and red onions. The tzatziki sauce made from yogurt, cucumber, garlic, and herbs adds a tangy and refreshing flavor to the bowl. With its combination of protein, healthy fats, and vegetables, the Tzatziki Bowl provides a balanced and filling meal. It's a popular choice for those seeking a delicious and nutrient option that celebrates the flavors of Mediterranean. Number 8. Red beans and tomato salad. Oh man, have you tried red beans and tomato salad? It is honestly one of the tastiest and healthiest dishes out there. A serving usually has around 270 calories. And let me tell you, those calories are packed with amazing flavors. The combination of protein-packed red beans and tangy tomatoes creates this flavor explosion in your mouth that's just addicting. Not only does it taste great, but it also loaded with important nutrients. The red beans give you a solid dose of plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and potassium, while the tomatoes provide antioxidants and vitamins and keep you hydrated. If you want, you can even customize this salad. Add in some diced onions, bell peppers, and fresh herbs to boost its flavor and nutrition even further. Red beans and tomato salad are the whole package. It's satisfying, delicious, and nourishing, making it the perfect option for a well-rounded meal. And that concludes our list of 8 boiled egg recipes for weight loss. Do you happen to know any boiled egg recipes for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!